What's going on, guys? Cody here with CJ Bell. Thanks for tuning into the channel. Today we are finally starting the rebuild on the beam. Today we're going to be seating in the rings on the pistons, putting the pistons onto the block, basically getting the block done and ready. And then once the head gasket comes in, we can start mounting the head on. So today we're going to be putting the pistons, rods, all the bearings and all that, getting the bottom end all ready. We're going to hone the block now and then get ready to start seating in the pistons.
Yeah, it's too tight. Let me see how many thousandths it is. Damn, 16 doesn't even fit in there. There's hardly no gap. Look. I can't even get the 16 in there.
Alright guys, so basically the ring gap is a little bit too, well, not a little bit, it's way too small. And we don't have a piston ring filer here, so we're gonna have to order one and then pick up the video when it comes in. The next time you see me will be once it comes in. Alright guys, so it's a week later and right now we are going to take off the crank and we are going to start putting in the bearings on the crank. We're going to put the bearings on the rods. Hopefully we're going to be installing the pistons today. We're going to gap all the rings to make sure that they're the proper gap size. Pistons are going in today.
Nowhere whatsoever on these bearings.
Divisionary music.
Ooh, these are nice.
There's one specific for the middle one then.
Yep, there's one specific.
It looks a little larger than the rest too. What size is that?
20. 13, so it's at 13. We need 20. Okay, so you put the ring all the way up against these two guides, and you only do one side only, and you do it backwards. You do it forwards. Oil control ring in. The scraper. Just put the second one in. Nice and carefully, be very gentle. You don't hurt anything. We'll stagger the gaps later. Okay, let me have number one.
Number one or number two?
Number one cylinder, but number two
Ring.
All right, like that. Very gently. Just bring it down slowly. That one's in. Go all the way around. Make sure it's in all the way around. Just push with your nail. Hopefully it doesn't go under your nail because you'll scream like a girl. Make sure the hole lines up with the oil. If you put the wrong one there, or you put it the wrong way, the oil hole won't, and you won't feed any.
And boom.
That's right. This is to protect the crank.
No, but look here, it's already maxed.
Is it really?
Mm-hmm.
Crap. Let's see if we can get it in. Hang it in, we're gonna go buy one.
Alright guys, so right now we have all the rings ready and gapped, but our ring compressor is too big. Pistons are too small. It's a little 4-cylinder, too small. So right now we're looking for a compressor somewhere at Advanced Auto or Harbor Freight, but they all seem to be 4 inches. So we found the new one, the smaller.
What?
What? Are you okay?
Yeah. I want you to feel it.
That's what she said.
The business end of the bill that's just shown up in the mail.
Jesus, this thing is so thick. That is one thick freaking head, guys. Holy crap.
Want to lay the head on it just to see how it looks?
Got the head on with the ARP studs. A little dark. Got the head gasket sitting right there. Thing is so thick. Yeah guys, looks like we're not really gonna have any clearance issues. We're gonna test it more of course after when we can crank the motor properly. So